Basic craft work, free learning and earning. Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome again our another video. USA inflation reduced now 1% price. Last June it was 9.5%, 9.71%, and this time only 8.5%. How happened in this market? Let's see. You stay now basic crypto world. This is our channel. We influence you always the time to trade a smart money concept. If you don't know this, you can see our all video, smart money concept indicator. You also can use. Now just a little bit quick market update about our mini bull run, because the CPI rate inflation is reduced. Let's see what is CPI rate. Always the men are told about it. CPI. CPI, that means consumer price index. Definition of CPI. Okay. So if you want to know about anything, then you can just research it, Google. And this is the formula of CPI. CPI equal to CO into 100. CPI, consumer price index in current period, cost of market based in period, and cost of market basket in base period. Then this time the US money inflation is too low. CNBC post a news just 13 July 2022. Inflation may finally be cooling. Is it really? Let's see. United States Consumer Price Index CPI. They say the annual inflation rate in the US slowed more than expected, 8.5 in July of 2022, from an over 40 years high of 9.1% in June last month. Below market forecast 8.7%, energy CPI rose by 32.9% after hitting a 42-year high, 41.6%. This is not a mandatory to describe these things. You also know that the all market are high, and I told about it. Worldwide, all market is stock. Don't mean stock, and this is our basically all product. So then that time the US government just release lots of money, and this is the cause the inflation is going too high. So we have to reduce this inflation. If we don't reduce this, the market is going too down. Let's see.
Subscribe Basic Crypto World and click bell icon.
Disclaimer: crypto market is too volatile. This is high risk. Do your own analysis first, then take a trade. This is only for education. Let's see. When the market reduces, the Bitcoin price also high. Let's see the other market, DXY. When the inflation is reduced, that's time, see the US dollar index is going down and it's hit lower low. Let's see this market is one day. See this, it's going a channel. And it's try to break this channel. See this now. Now it's perfect, and already it's break the market, break up structure. We also see DJI chart, Dow Jones Industrial Average Index. They also same pattern. It's like Bitcoin, not like DXY. DXY is dollar index. Dollar index is going too high. Dollar index, let's see, dollar index going too high, 110. Our Bangladeshi taka is now per dollar is 120, which is just last 2 months ago it was only 88 to 90 taka only per dollar. So can you think about this? This market is going too high. Too high is too high about inflation. So try to understand and realize what is inflation. So let's see. Come our Bitcoin market. This inflation reduce, giving us a little bit pumping in our cryptocurrency market. Let's see 45 minutes. This is our Spartan trading SMC market indicator. When we change our time frame, that time we can see our higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low. We don't have to draw this. This is the indicator. Last time, our last 3 video, I just talked about this safe, 100% safe SMC trading strategy and how to see market structure with SMC concept, and important how to use SMC trading strategy. If you want, you can see my these 3 video if you want to know SMC concept. SMC concept is very easy. When we got a breakup structure, that time we got a higher high and higher low. That time we have to draw a when we got this, is it Fibonacci retracement? Yes, it is Fibonacci retracement. So let's see. Our Fibonacci also indicated when it's going there, that time it's going to high. And you can see now we fulfill our Fibonacci point. But this is only 45 minutes. Some bigger time frame. Now if we retestment this market, then we can come down $24,257. Then our next support $24,088. Then we can retest $23,666. Then we can down 0.38 to $23,426. when a market is retest, that almost time it can fulfill 90% or 95% or 92%. It's just the Fibonacci. Okay. Let's see. It's a percent wise. So you have to just sense a feature that is value. You have to just percentage. Then okay. Let's see. 100%. Then 86, 78 to long time we don't see a deep retracement. So now the market is prepared a deep retracement. You have to remind it in your mind, and always the time we have to play only step by step. This is our smart money concept. Okay, we draw our Fibonacci. Now we can see our higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low, and we also see our order block in 45 minutes. And we also find out our bullish order block. Now bullish order block is too low. We can see that bearish order block. Let's see, our big bearish order block is waiting for us $27,300, and we can hit this. Why we can hit this? Because the market want to grab now a liquidity, and this is the liquidity area. This is the liquidity area. All men who are now bullish, then they want to make a long entry. This already they into this, and who see there, they want to book their profit in this order block, but market is going down without fulfill this order block. Let's see what's happening in the next. And lots of men are now make a short. If they make a short, this is the short entry, 24,600. Almost they want to stop loss. Their stop loss is only 2% or 2 point. This is the 2%. Okay, 2%. And their profit booking is deep retracement, 22,000. So that time the market want to liquidate this short entry, and they want to go the order block, but they didn't want to book this long entry profit, so they going down. That 26,000. This is the zone. I see Bitcoin is next 1 or 2 days 26,000. Subscribe Basic Crypto World and click bell icon. They going down. That 26,000. This is the zone. I see Bitcoin is next 1 or 2 days 26,000. Otherwise, then it's going down, and we can see it's 21,000 because this is our deep retracement zone. This is our deep retracement zone. Now we have to follow our breakup structure. When it's break this zone, we want to change our color. Okay, this breakup structure 24,000, then we can go 23,000, then we can go 23,426, then 22,500, and if we break this, then we can go later than $21,000. So let's see market show these rules. And now we want to take a trade in Ether, because when Bitcoin going down, Ether is showing too much good effort, because next December, Ethereum 2 is launched. So see this Ethereum chart. This is a bullish pattern. We don't have to draw this. We can see higher high, lower low, higher high, and there is lots of fair value gap. There's lots of fair value gap and also bullish order block. So we want to add this zone, and next 1 or 2 days we can see this Ethereum market is almost $22,000 up. Let's see what's happened. Hope you are all is good to see our smart money concept. Smart money concept always tell you a different thing, which a retail trader thinking. So stay with us, basic capital world. We can show you the right path for take a trade and book the profit. Assalamu alaikum. ভালো থাকবেন সবাই।